Peter, what is the most important thing about PELOBiotech what a customer should know?
The most important thing is that all our customers in the center of everything at our company. We take customer as a key account and try to help as much as possible to find the best possible solution for their work, to make their work easier, sometimes better. And I think we are always here to discuss with you your projects so that you get perhaps some insights to make the best possible decisions for your work.
Lothar, why did you found PELOBiotech?
For me, it was very important to give customers a one-stop solution for all primary cell culture and to be on the front lines of science. That means we have a lot of cooperations. We have grant-funded projects, and so that means we are not only producing and selling things, but we are in the same range like the scientists and try to optimize all the tools we can give to the scientists, and also to get knowledge of new developments in science so that we are always in the front and have the possibility to give support to scientists, discuss in the same language, and not only being a company that says, okay, buy or let it.
Gauthier, do you have a sentence? Why do you like working for PELOBiotech?
Well, I like working at PELOBiotech because the atmosphere to me is of a small family where the co-workers and the customers matter.
Okay, and do you have a motto while you're selling for PELOBiotech?
I don't know if it's really a motto, but I sell at PELOBiotech because we put our customers and the need of our customers at the center of the discussion. And we are looking to sell products that they need.
So, Ingrid, why do you like working for PELOBiotech?
Well, the reason why I like working at PELOBiotech is because I have a feeling that my input matters. It's not like with some of the really big companies where you are just one of hundreds of people. At PELOBiotech, I think in my input, my own personal input matters. And I also profit from, as Gauthier was saying, a very nice atmosphere with supportive colleagues. That is another very important aspect of work, in my opinion. And this is something I find at PELOBiotech.
Ingrid, why should somebody buy at PELOBiotech?
We have innovative products, and we are always looking for new, exciting things, new, exciting tools. And Peter and Lothar are quite successful at doing that. And of course, we have in-house experts. So when a customer has an issue, has a problem, we have the people to help solve problems, to help solve issues.
Great, yeah, That's very important. Yeah, if you can talk from scientist to scientist, and if you talk on the same level, then
exactly.
you get a very quick solution.
Yes, exactly. And because of this, customers trust us. This is the way to build up trust.
Thank you, Ingrid. Maxi, why do you like working at PELOBiotech?
I like working at PELOBiotech because I can work very creative in a way I never worked before and get to new nuances of the business world in a fairly new department for me. That's why it's very interesting.
And I really like working at PELOBiotech because we have such an international team, so everybody can talk to each other in English, in French, in sometimes a little bit Spanish, Italian, Romanian. So this is really exciting sometimes.